How to fix a disabled Instagram account. If your Instagram account has been disabled, don't panic. I'll show you exactly how to recover it. Whether your account was disabled by mistake or due to a violation, I will walk you through the best methods to get it back. So let's get started. Before we recover your account, let's understand why Instagram might have disabled it. Violating community guidelines, copyright infringement, excessive activity using automation tools or third-party apps, suspicious login attempts or security reasons. Now, how to recover your disabled Instagram account? If Instagram disabled your account by mistake, then follow these steps to appeal and get it back. Check the message from Instagram when you try to log in Instagram. Now go to Google and type the Instagram and tap on to login. From here you will see the Learn More option if it is disabled, and you can simply tap on it and fill in your details and explain why your account should be reinstated. Be polite and precise in your response. Then provide identity verification. Instagram may ask for additional proof such as a photo of yourself holding a verification code, any proof that your account was not violating terms. Now wait for Instagram's response. Instagram usually responds with 24 to 72 hours, but it may take longer. Be patient and keep checking your email. And then try logging in again. If your appeal is accepted, you should be able to log back in as usual. If not, you may need to submit another appeal or try alternative recovery methods. And that's it. I hope this helped you recover your Instagram account. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.